Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, soon it's going to be 2018 Macau's Light Festival, and you can see some of the bags you can get, and these are going to be some of the things that are happening, and they have some Octopus King hideout cafes. So basically a lot of the restaurants, it looks like, are going to be setting up booths. Irish coffee shop. So okay, so that's going to be coming up soon. Looks like they're getting it all set up. I'll try to get out here sometime during that time. Give a little quick tour while we're here. So this is Old Taipa Tavern. This is probably the biggest expat place there is in the city by far, and they have all this old craft beer, OTT craft beer, so you can get all kinds of stuff. You can see where it's from: South Africa, South Australia, NSL, New South Wales, South Australia, Adelaide, California, New Zealand, Belgium, Lebanon, Japan, Scotland, Oregon, New Zealand, Lebanon, New South Wales, Australia, New Zealand, Lebanon, New York, England, California. So basically the owners are, I think he's from New Zealand, I think. So there's a lot of New Zealand and Australia references here. And it's closed at the moment. That's the famous sign right there. Macau. Tapas. Traditional meals, prime steak, venison deer meat. I've never seen that. I have to look for that one, I guess. It's pretty cool. Some cool artwork. So, okay, we're just gonna stroll through a little bit, and it's like this is 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock right now, so it looks like some of these places are just starting to open. So, okay. So yeah, I'm just getting this, getting my channel going. So don't even quite have 100 subscribers yet, but eventually it'll get going. So yeah, if you're in Macau and you're interested in doing a little filming and walking around and exploring some of this, let me know. Be kind of interesting to see different perspectives on stuff. So, ooh. All right. I always like this stuff too. These are growing right into this old building right here. A tree. And this big, massive amount of cement. Underwear hanging up. I don't know, for some reason I think if I had underwear I wouldn't put it here in this space. I think I'd put it inside probably. But anyways, it is what it is. It doesn't really matter. City of Dreams, that little thing is everywhere. And I just kind of like this area. All these cool buildings everywhere. Beautified with some plants. You got your little bike right there that's all, looks like strategically placed for photos, but it's probably actually somebody's bicycle. Look up a lighter sitting there. Christmas. Let's get in Portuguese. Alright. Street lanterns. So you can see, let me see. We're gonna go this way. Yeah, we'll go this way. It's kind of like it because, you know, these are houses that are right here too, so people actually live here. I think it'd be amazing to live right in this kind of location. Alright, so we're gonna just keep walking. These are kind of cool too. Portuguese and Italian. So many places I haven't eaten at when I really think about it. The Portuguese. That's some good beef right there. U.S. Angus and U.S. sirloin. All right. Clay pot milk.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you? Oh, that looks really good.
Pork
That looks really good.
and milk tea.
Oh, I got milk tea as well.
Macau pork chop bun.
Yeah, curry. Oh, it's famous. All right, I'm gonna come back and thank you so much. It looks good.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. This one is another pork chop bun. All the tourists want pork chop buns, so. Okay, let's see. Market. Okay. Oh, these kind of cool alleys, yeah. Tourists posing, and it's really beautiful because you have these beautiful kind of Portuguese style stuff. That's kind of a nice picture right there. Who that guy is? So this is kind of a popular tourist spot right here, so we're just gonna stroll through. More pork chop buns. This right here is where the Rolling Stones ate at, so that's the drummer. I can't remember his name. There's Mick Jagger right there. So Rolling Stones came at the concert here, and they came to this place right here, El Santo Comida Portuguesa. So that's a pretty well-known Portuguese restaurant in a very touristic part of the city of Taipa. This camera footage is great. The lighting is just about perfect. And that's like some good clams right there. Okay. Might have to do some restaurant reviews some other time. Let's see, it's another pork chop bun right there. Planning a picture.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? We got pictures everywhere. It's nice. It's cool. Wow, that's pretty cool. Let's get a bigger view of this space. So that's kind of cool. It's like this is like part of the artwork. Oh, look at this. Time travel in Macau. Still don't know what that is, but got some artwork there. Macau Light Festival. Famous pork chop bun that everybody loves. Okay, gonna get a taste of Macau. And I'm gonna start across this busy street. I'm gonna go to the library and upload some videos. Just enough time before another thing I have to do at 3 o'clock. Alright, so you can see some tall buildings up in this area, and we're kind of walking out of Taipa village into a place that has quite a bit of development. So you can see, looks like a little Manhattan skyline kind of thing almost. So filled with what's this right here? It's like a popular place. Everybody's coming to get something here. Let's see what this is. This is a cafe. Popular. So, okay. You see, like, it's always been a mystery to me because there's all this kind of parking lot right here in the middle, which could be, you know, a proper parking lot. You know, it could be a completely different structure. But yeah, this whole little thing is like kind of in the central part where you have Taipa village over there. Then you have this right here. And then you have all that right over there too. So, and then beyond that is the Galaxy Casino, you can see it. But then you have this big kind of eyesore in the middle. Kind of like a dumping ground for half parking lot, half other stuff. So, okay. Do a little bit of walking and then I think it's enough. Please subscribe to the channel and show some love and some support.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.